So again, we have Melissa DeLaCruz. She is helping us out yet again. We really appreciate it, Mel. We have had a lot of questions because we just launched our full cover tips, which are amazing, great for temporary sets or practicing. But the question is, how do you get them off?
So today we're going to show you how you get them off. Super easy.
Super easy. Awesome. I like easy. Let's get to it.
Hi, today I'm going to show you how to remove the full coverage tips from somebody wearing them even a week to 3 to 4 weeks. So let's get started. Okay, first I'm going to start by pushing back the cuticle. Then I'm going to go into the tornado bit on about 12 to 13,000 RPMs. I think I'm going to try 13. I'm going to do a circular motion, never staying in the same spot, and let me explain why. Because it is a tip, it will heat up faster than like an acrylic or a gel would, removing it. So never stay in the same spot. I like to remove the color so I could see where I need to file a little more. Now that I have it to here, I could literally see where I need to file. So I'm going kind of in a circular motion, not staying in the same spot, a little tickle on the side. Now she wore this for 4 weeks, so they wear very well. So you'll see it's the pieces that are starting to lift a little will flake off. That's because they're glued on. When they're glued on, glue does break down in water eventually. So get off as much as you can. The easiest way, because it starts to get hot about here. Do you feel anything, Trey?
Not at all, actually.
Okay. I feel like I could still file here. If you look more, see how it still has a lift? I don't think that would burn her. So what I'm going to do is a circular motion. See how I break away with it? And all that's going to come off. I could even shorten it a little. Well, if I was going to reapply, I would shorten it all the way. So let's just take off all her free edge. Now, I know I could file this all the way off pretty much. Sometimes you may kind of like go a little slower because you're afraid of burning them. Let me show you a quick way. Get all of them down to about right here. Then switch your drill bit to your arbor band, a medium. This I'm going to be at like 5,000 RPMs. And what I'm going to do is a circular motion here. And I'm kind of putting grooves on the plastic, not on her natural nail. It's not necessary right now. Just on all of the tip. So I'm putting grooves on all the tip. What that's going to do is help the acetone to seep in very fast. I'll dust off her finger. Okay, so what you'll need is foil and onto the next, and some lint-free wipes. So usually what I do, each nail I get one, I saturate it with onto the next, like fill up my little pad. Then I wrap it. Let me come a little further down. And I'll do that to all 10 fingers. I'll set a timer for no longer than 5 minutes. Usually by the time you've wrapped your first one, you're close to your 5 minutes. So I'll be back in 5 minutes to let you see how this comes off. So I'm gonna pull this off, kind of putting pressure. Pretty much almost all came off already. So I'll take my 150, see how it's rolling off. I'm not even putting hard pressure. All I'm doing is slowly removing it. Okay, from here, if you were going to reapply, I would shorten her whole nail and prep with my medium arbor band. Let me show you it again. To prep for the glue and the application of the tip. Also, let's say she was wearing them for a special occasion and she wasn't going to put them back on at this moment. I'll show you what you do to the nail to make it look more soft and natural and send her on her way. So I would take a 180 buffer, buff her nail smooth, I would clean her cuticle. So what I'm gonna do is use my little square carbide bit on 5,000 RPMs. I'm gonna kind of clean her skin up a little. Pull her skin back. Again, I'm not putting pressure. All I'm doing is making contact. Doing baby circles around the cuticle area. You can see it all remove. This is so satisfying. It looks satisfying to me. A little cuticle right there. Okay. Remember, we usually don't cut cuticles or trim cuticles when they don't need to be, but when there's something like this right here, you could trim it. Okay. I'd buff around the cuticle area. Swipe off some of her dust. And go straight into rose oil to condition her nail. And as you can see, her nails are really strong, very strong. And she wore that tip for 4 weeks, maybe pushing 5, kind of really put it to the test. But her nails look very nice. You always want to send your client out looking nice. So there you go.
Hey guys, what's going on? We hope you love our videos. Let us know in the comments below what you want to see next. To see more, head over here. To subscribe to our channel, head over here.